Deondre.
My name is Deondre, and this is Laboratory 99.
And I'm Julian, Laboratory.
And we have Laboratory 99. My question was to see how tadpoles would react to light, because I'm doing this one first because I was going to put it under radiation, and I knew that their eyes would they are meant for darkness, and the ultraviolet is kind of bright, so I wanted to see how they react to this first. My knowledge proof is that the tadpoles would react to light, and they'd rather be in the dark because I've seen their tank, and their parents don't have like a light inside their tank, and they swim more in the beginning stage of the frogs. My secondhand information is that they are defined from the 3 short claws of each hind foot, which means they use that to move and kill their prey with and to help. And they are they're tongueless and toothless and completely aquatic. And my prediction was that they would react to the light. My investigation was to get tadpoles, get a paper and cup, put a tadpole in the water and see if it reacts to the light, and wait 30 seconds. And then my fourth was to observe and write down. And my observation, most 8 out of 10 times it went into the darkness. And my error was that it would look kind of tired, and the one I had, it was kind of bleeding, so that might have stopped it from moving around more, like how I said they thought I was tired. And number 6, it was running around in circles when I flipped the page over. I guess I probably had the light on like too bright on one spot. So yeah, I just counted it as an error. And the rest were the same. They stayed in the dark. And this is my data analysis. 20% of it stayed in the light, and 80% of it stayed in the dark. My data analysis that I claimed that it would prefer the dark than the light. My explanation claimed the same. I think they would prefer the dark than the light, and I was right. And my evidence is that this picture of the tadpole will go in the light. If I had to zoom it in, it would show the tadpole turned around and going to the light. And my evidence is the picture, and I saw it, and I waited it for it to even 30 seconds. Even if it was just sitting down, I'll wait for it to make a choice, even if it wasn't even 30 seconds yet. And my reasoning said 10 fair trials, and I took my time so it can make its correct choice. My evaluation, my sources of error, it was injured. And what I did differently, I actually made sure that the tadpoles were fed and not injured. Because the next day when I tried to finish it, it was tired and it wasn't really moving very much. I thought it was dying. And I was very confident in the results because I had 10 fair trials. And my prediction, if I would be the same, I'll make sure they would. Yeah. And my question I would like to pursue next is radiation, and I didn't get to finish that one because I didn't have a lot of time to do that. And this is a picture of my group and me Yeah, that made more sense. Any questions? Tiana?
Why do you think in most of your trials, the tadpoles went to the dark instead of the light?
Well, since I attend trials, I read online that their eyeballs were probably more adapted for the darkness, and they probably want to stay in the darkness. And it was also kind of hard to get the light because their eyeballs are kind of on the side, and they were tadpoles, and you couldn't sometimes see the light, but it could feel it though. Tim,
Why did you say tired? How could you tell if it was tired or not?
I could tell if it was tired because it would just sit there and not even move. Probably because it was dying. I didn't feed it until the next day. You in the back. Probably not, because every tadpole is different. Leah?
So did you use one tadpole or two? Like how many did you use?
I used a tadpole.
So just
For each trial?
Yeah, I probably should have used more. Anyone else?